welcome back to Hello Hi for another quick and easy cannabis recipe by me. And oh my God, football season has finally started. So that means it's time to start making those buffalo wings. So today, that's what I'm going to show you, how to make cannabis infused buffalo wings using the cannabis infused hot sauce and Canna Butter that I made in my previous video, and I'll make sure I leave the link above and below if you didn't get a chance to watch that cannabis infused hot sauce video. And this video is going to be really quick, so let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need flour, cornstarch, and eggs to fry the chicken, and infused hot sauce or Frank's Red Hot, Worcester sauce, oregano, and Canna Butter for the infused buffalo sauce. Start by turning a medium-sized frying pan on medium heat and pour corn or peanut oil in the frying pan. Make sure you pour enough oil in the pan to cover one side of the chicken. You'll need 3 medium-sized mixing bowls for this recipe. In the first mixing bowl, add your clean and dried chicken. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and toss your chicken a few times